Hello programmers, welcome to Slide Hunt with the video tutorial on C++ programming. In this tutorial we are going to learn do while loop in C++. In our previous tutorial we have learned while loop. Do while loop is similar to the while loop, but the only difference is that in while loop we first test the condition and if it is true then execute the statement. But in do while loop first execute the statement at least once and then check the condition. Let's see the syntax of do while loop. Here first we learn the syntax of do while loop. First write the keyword do, then a pair of curly braces, and inside the curly braces you have to write the statement that you want to execute, and after the curly braces you have to write the while, then a pair of parentheses, and within the parentheses you have to write the condition or expression. And then give here a semicolon. So what happens here? First execute this statement at least once and then check this condition or expression. If this condition is true or the expression evaluates to a non-zero value, then the statement within this block will be executed again, and if this condition is false then the control come out of this loop. Next we see how we can use do while loop in our program. Here we write a simple program that print 10 numbers to the screen. So let's start. Here I am going to declare a loop counter int I, which is initially assigned to 1. Then we write the do while loop. First write do, then a pair of curly braces. Inside the curly braces you have to write the statement. So I am going to write here cout number equal to, and here we refer I, and then end of line. Next we increment the loop counter, that is I++. Then we write the condition after the curly braces, while a pair of parentheses, and I am going to write here I less equal to 10. And don't forget to give here a semicolon. When we run this program, this statement will be executed at least once. It does not matter whatever the condition we write here. Let's check the output, build and run. As you can see here, it print 10 numbers from 1 to 10. Let's see how the loop is work. First the control come here and enter into the loop. Then it execute this statement and print number equal to 1. Then increment the loop counter. So now I equal to 2, and then check this condition, I less equal to 10. Yes, it is true. Then the control go here and then again print this statement and increment the value of I. So now I equal to 3. Then again check this condition. If it is true then the control go here, and this procedure is continue. When the value of I will be 11, then this condition will be false and the control come out of this loop. Next I am going to change the value of I. I am going to initialize I equal to 15. Now check the output, build and run. As you can see here, it print only one number, that is 15. Because here we assign I equal to 15, then the control go here and execute this statement and print number equal to 15. Then increment the value of I by 1. So now I equal to 16. And then check this condition, I less equal to 10. No, it is false and the control come out of this loop. Here the condition is false first time, though it print number equal to 15, because before check this condition it execute this statement at least once. That's it. This was about the do while loop. Hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please comment on the video. See you in next tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. To watch more videos, please subscribe this channel Slide Hunt. You can like my Facebook page at www.facebook.com/slidehunt, and you can also follow me on Google Plus at www.google.com/+slidehunt.